Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Bombay potato. To make Bombay potato, you will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 large cloves of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1½ teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 400 grams of part-boiled potato cut into chunks and boiled until soft, half a cup of fresh chopped coriander, and 250 millilitres of water. To begin, peel the potatoes and cut them into large chunks. Boil until they begin to soften, but not so much that they turn into mush. Approximately 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the potato. Don't worry if the potato is still a little hard. You can add more water during cooking to soften them. Add the oil and fry the mustard seeds until they start to pop. As soon as they do, add the onions and cook for around 5 minutes to soften, stirring occasionally so that they don't burn. Add the fenugreek leaves, salt, sugar, garlic, fennel seeds, madras powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder and tomato paste, and cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. If it gets too dry, add a little water to stop it from burning. Add water. The lemon juice, and the potatoes, and stir through. Add the chopped coriander and allow to reduce to the consistency you want, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Check the potato is as firm or as soft as you like it. If the potato is too hard, add another 250 millilitres of boiling water. Stir thoroughly and allow to reduce again, stirring every few minutes. You can do this as many times as you like without affecting the flavour until the potato reaches your consistency. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.